Hi. What's your name? Say hi, my name's Augustus Wellington III. I'm Mama's baby bird who likes treats. Oh, what is this? What are you doing? You biting your nail. Don't you want some good treats? Yummy, yummy. What can you do for a treat? Can you do kiss kiss? Do you know how to give kisses? You do. Let me see. How you give kiss? How do you give a kiss? Right now I think you're too amazed by, the camera. Let's do, how about high five? This hand. High five. Hey, no! Hold on. Hey, you stole the treat. Hold on. We didn't do the trick. You don't get treats if you don't do tricks. Let's maybe try that again. You ready? This time I'm going to put the treat down. And I'm going to show everybody how you can do high five. What did we learn tonight? High five. High five. Look. High five. Okay. Now, since you did that nice, you get your treat. Ow! That's my fat finger. Ow! That's my fat finger. Still my fat finger. Ow. Ow. Use your own hand to eat your corn. Use your own hand to eat your corn. Augustus Wellington III. Gus, what are you doing? Thank you for using your own hand. Because you was biting Mama's chubby fingers. I love you. Say mommy. Mommy.